Well, our next international story is coming to us from 21CN, and it talks about Mitt Romney making a visit to Hong Kong. Now, the story goes on to say that supporters of the Republican presidential candidate planned a campaign fundraiser for him yesterday in the city, where U.S. business interests intersect with China's growing influence as a world financial superpower. According to Erica Elliott, who is a spokeswoman for the California Congressman House Majority Whip Kevin McCarthy, the third highest ranking Republican was due in Hong Kong on Thursday to make an appearance at the event. Romney campaign spokesman Danny Diaz confirmed the report, but didn't add any other specifics at the time. Now, business community figures in Hong Kong were also confirmed to attend the event. Now, the story goes on to say that Hong Kong has been a dependable source of campaign cash for Romney, where expat supporters have already raised more than $385,000 US for his White House run. Now, this is coming to us from federal campaign finance reports. U.S. President Barack Obama's campaign has also mined cash from partisans in the city, raising only $84,000 US. Many of both candidates' backers in Hong Kong are business figures who deal regularly with Chinese officials and corporations, which is a focal point of growing presidential campaign concern over U.S.-China trade friction. Romney and Obama have sparred repeatedly over how to deal with China's growing economic rivalry to the U.S., and the issue looms as a critical talking point in the upcoming presidential debates. Romney has accused China's government of trade, currency, and intellectual property abuses and says that Obama has failed to confront Chinese officials. The Obama campaign responded by saying that the administration has stood up to China and accused Romney's former firm, Bain Capital, of aiding the shift of American jobs to China. Both China and the U.S. filed World Trade Organization complaints against each other last week for alleged trade violations. Now, the Hong Kong event is not the first time that Romney has come to try to get campaign money. Two of his sons headlined a fundraiser in Hong Kong last May, and Obama supporters have also been busy in China, gathering in Shanghai in July for a $10,000 Obama Victory Fund event that benefited both the campaign and Democratic Party coffers. Only U.S. citizens and green card holders would be able to donate to the candidates. Romney has also benefited from other supporters with extensive business interests in China. Casino owner Sheldon Adelson, who owns gambling resorts in Macau, has given more than $43 million US to political action committees supporting Romney and allied Republican causes. Adelson is the largest individual donor in this year's campaign, according to a review of campaign records. Romney has also been sensitive to the China issue in his personal finances. Over the past 2 years, as the presidential race approached, a lawyer overseeing his family trust sold off numerous shares of stock in Chinese state-owned firms, including the last year's sale of shares in a Chinese oil company. Romney had pledged back in 2007 to eliminate any investments that conflicted with his political beliefs, but his trust kept many of the Chinese investments and other politically sensitive holdings until 2010 and last year. So it appears as though, despite what Mitt Romney is saying on the campaign trail, he is definitely a friend of China.